I'm already 6 years here in Saudi Arabia. I'm so happy that the Philippines, the GIA provides some of this kind of events for our Filipinos because especially like me, I didn't go back for almost 6 years in the Philippines, so I miss the Philippines. And then I'm so happy that we have like a culture that we can see here in Saudi Arabia.
I've been work here for 10 years in Saudi Arabia. This event is so amazing, so great, amazing and good.
Here is very good. The place is good. The event is good. The performance is good. Everything here is well. The good job. The good job in here. أحب هذا. أحب هذا ثوب. أنا ألبس هذا. This top I always wear. When I go out, I always wear this top. I have white top and navy blue. I have a lot of top. That's why. Kamsa sanawat. Too much. A lot of differences. From the first time that I came here, very much of differences. A lot of differences for the government of Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Good job. You make all the people very happy.
I'm from Al-Hasa, Al-Hasa Hupub. For the enjoying, it's very fantastic. Thank you for the government. Then this is my second home.